Hi guys, it's Mark from POND.college, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. Today's video is all about advanced waterfall building technique. If you want to bring water over the big stones, stay tuned. On the main drop waterfall down here, as you can see, the water's flying through there. But what I want to end up doing is I want to end up bringing the water over here. So what I'll actually end up doing is bringing the water down here, and over there. So what we're doing here at POND.college is we're building the NRG waterfall. And as you can see, we've got a reservoir down the bottom here. And then you've got some big stones. And the water wants to go down this gap. And what it does is it comes along here and then disappears all the way down there, rather than coming over this section here. So the first thing to do is to fill the hole, fill the cavity full of gravel. And then what we can do is we can put a layer of foam over the top. Then we can put over the underlay over the actual foam itself. So then what we're doing is we're creating a waterproof barrier that we can remove or do whatever we want at any time. There's a number of things that you can fill the voids with. I know other people that have used polystyrene before, rolls of underlay, so you can basically make a crunch of underlay and shove it in the hole and then foam over the top of that, just to force the water over the front of the stone rather than behind it. So you can use this advanced building technique for any waterfall with big rocks or small. Last week's video we looked at naming the Japanese garden, and I want to congratulate Stephen Lane for the floating Zen garden. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.